Hi, RNS, Life After 55. Um, on the cancer. Um, I wanted to do a little episode because I found out yesterday I'm not as strong as I thought I was through this ordeal. Uh, I guess I've been feeling so good. I've had 3 chemo treatments out of 7. I've had 4 radiation treatments out of 30 something. So I'm a long ways on the radiation ones, but I feel better now than I did in the beginning. I feel a lot better. I've had a few rough days, but nothing major. Um, but I think yesterday was one of my worst days. And it wasn't because of physical, it was mental. It seems I've been feeling so much better. I thought, this ain't gonna be that bad, but doctors keep telling me no, it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. Well, uh, I just kept thinking about that. I guess not thinking about it, but not thinking about it. You know what I mean? Just subconsciously, and this all started yesterday morning at 3 o'clock. I woke up. My chest was hurting. Felt like I had a dagger in my back. I couldn't breathe. I was having cold sweats. I thought, shit. I thought, is the, treatments, give me heart problems now? I didn't know. So I stuck an aspirin underneath my tongue, and then I took a couple of aspirins, and about an hour and a half, it finally went away. And so I went ahead and got dressed and went to work. Well, I got to work, and I wasn't there very long, and then I got to thinking about what had been going on that morning, and they come back. And they called in an ambulance, and they hauled me off to the hospital. Well, at the hospital, they run all kinds of tests. I mean, everything. Chest x-ray, my heart, and everything. And a real good doctor up there. They got a real good heart doctor up there. They come in. They ended up giving me some morphine to settle me down, which I'm still kind of feeling a little bit of the side effects of that now. I think. But the doctor came in. Of course, y'all know I smoked for 46 years. He come in. He said my lungs look great. They were clear. Everything. And he put it up on the board. He even showed me where my little port come around and hooks into the vein that goes into my heart. And he showed me that, and he showed how clear my lungs look, and he showed me how my heart was looking good. They run all kinds of blood tests, and everything come back native, no heart damage, no. But he said it was just a massive stress attack. And so now I need to try to figure out I guess, a way to deal with the stress of dealing with the cancer. And that's where I'm weak at. As far as the physical part, I still feel great. Although my chest is kind of sore, I guess, from all the tension that I had yesterday. I don't know. But I don't know. I just kind of want to let y'all know that just if you go through something like this, just because it's not dragging me down and stuff. So I'm not. It's like this ain't that bad, but then you still have people telling you it is, and I don't know. I got to figure out a way to deal with it. If you got any ideas, shoot me a line. But I just want to let everybody know that this emotionally is probably about as bad as the physical part. So, well, that's all I really got to say. So, thank you for watching for RLS Life After 55. And we'll see you.